Here are all the useful sentences of the present simple tense. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. She brushes her teeth after breakfast. She brushes her teeth after breakfast. He takes a shower before going to bed. He takes a shower before going to bed. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Birds sing in the morning. Birds sing in the morning. My brother plays basketball on Saturdays. My brother plays basketball on Saturdays. We eat dinner together as a family. We eat dinner together as a family. She loves reading novels. She loves reading novels. He drives to work every day. He drives to work every day. They watch a movie every Friday night. They watch a movie every Friday night. The cat sleeps in the afternoon. The cat sleeps in the afternoon. My mother cooks delicious meals. My mother cooks delicious meals. I drink coffee to start my day. I drink coffee to start my day. She writes emails for work. She writes emails for work. He runs in the park every evening. He runs in the park every evening. The baby cries when she is hungry. The baby cries when she is hungry. Dogs bark at strangers. Dogs bark at strangers. We go to church on Sundays. We go to church on Sundays. The store opens at 9 a.m. The store opens at 9 a.m. She teaches English at the local school. She teaches English at the local school. He fixes cars in his garage. He fixes cars in his garage. I play the guitar in my free time. I play the guitar in my free time. She swims in the pool during summer. She swims in the pool during summer. The flowers bloom in spring. The flowers bloom in spring. He watches the news every night. He watches the news every night. My sister dances beautifully. My sister dances beautifully. We clean our house every weekend. We clean our house every weekend. She studies for her exams at night. She studies for her exams at night. The earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. He jogs along the riverbank. He jogs along the riverbank. I prefer tea over coffee. That I prefer tea over coffee. She practices yoga to relax. She practices yoga to relax. Birds migrate in the winter. Birds migrate in the winter. We celebrate birthdays with cake. We celebrate birthdays with cake. He listens to music while working. He listens to music while working. The teacher explains the lesson clearly. The teacher explains the lesson clearly. She pays her bills on time. She pays her bills on time. I visit my grandparents on holidays. I visit my grandparents on holidays. He plays chess with his friends. He plays chess with his friends. The train leaves the station at 5 p.m. The train leaves the station at 5 p.m. She always carries an umbrella. She always carries an umbrella. I brush my hair every morning. I brush my hair every morning. He grows vegetables in his garden. He grows vegetables in his garden. We watch the sunset together. We watch the sunset together. She knits scarves for winter. She knits scarves for winter. The stars shine at night. The stars shine at night. He reads newspapers to stay informed. He reads newspapers to stay informed. I water the plants daily. I water the plants daily. She enjoys hiking in the mountains. She enjoys hiking in the mountains. The clock ticks every second. The clock ticks every second. He collects stamps as a hobby. He collects stamps as a hobby. We throw away the trash every day. We throw away the trash every day. She saves money for vacations. She saves money for vacations. I clean my room on Saturdays. I clean my room on Saturdays. The baby sleeps most of the day. The baby sleeps most of the day. He loves telling jokes. He loves telling jokes. We walk our dog in the evening. We walk our dog in the evening. She sends emails regularly. She sends emails regularly. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. He makes coffee every morning. He makes coffee every morning. Birds build nests in trees. Birds build nests in trees. I wear glasses for reading. I wear glasses for reading. She arranges flowers in a vase. She arranges flowers in a vase. He takes the bus to work. He takes the bus to work. We eat lunch at noon. We eat lunch at noon. She bakes cakes for special occasions. She bakes cakes for special occasions. The moon lights up the night sky. The moon lights up the night sky. He repairs broken electronics. He repairs broken electronics. I use a computer for work. I use a computer for work. She washes her car on Sundays. She washes her car on Sundays. The wind blows the leaves. The wind blows the leaves. He enjoys playing video games. He enjoys playing video games. We visit the park in spring. We visit the park in spring. She cuts her hair every month. She cuts her hair every month. The river flows to the sea. The river flows to the sea. He drinks water after exercising. He drinks water after exercising. I lock the door at night. I lock the door at night. She paints beautiful landscapes. She paints beautiful landscapes. Birds chirp in the morning. Birds chirp in the morning. He studies hard for his exams. He studies hard for his exams. We buy groceries every week. We buy groceries every week. She sings in the choir. She sings in the choir. The bell rings at the end of class. The bell rings at the end of class. He writes in his diary. He writes in his diary. I iron my clothes on weekends. I iron my clothes on weekends. She watches her favorite TV show. She watches her favorite TV show. The tree sheds its leaves in autumn. The tree sheds its leaves in autumn. He rides his bike to school. He rides his bike to school. I charge my phone at night. I charge my phone at night. She arranges meetings for her team. She arranges meetings for her team. The sun warms the earth. The sun warms the earth. He changes the oil in his car. He changes the oil in his car. I check my email in the morning. I check my email in the morning. She practices piano every day. She practices piano every day. The flowers need sunlight to grow. The flowers need sunlight to grow. He feeds the fish in the aquarium. He feeds the fish in the aquarium. We attend meetings on Mondays. We attend meetings on Mondays. She follows a healthy diet. She follows a healthy diet. The moon orbits the earth. The moon orbits the earth. He enjoys a walk at dawn. He enjoys a walk at dawn.